Hi, I'm the CEO and founder of Manufacturing Growth Lab. Let me start with a reality we see in manufacturing every day. Most manufacturers are not sitting around with nothing to do. You're busy, you're stretched thin, you're keeping customers happy, fixing problems, shipping product, and managing 1,000 moving parts. And if growth still feels fragile, it's not because you're doing something wrong. It's usually because growth is still depending too much on a few people, a few relationships, and a lot of knowledge living in someone's head. That creates real risk when you want to enter new markets, support a larger sales team, reposition the business, or pursue better fit customers. Here's the shift. Activity is not the same as structure. A company can be busy and still be understructured. Sales can be active, but the pipeline is not supporting business growth. Marketing can be active, but not supporting pipeline growth. Leadership knows that growth matters, but may not have a repeatable operating system behind it. And without structure, every new marketing campaign, sales hire, website project, or market expansion adds more work instead of reducing pressure. This is why we built the Great 8 Pillars. The Great 8 Pillars are the standards we use to evaluate your marketing and sales system across the full growth pipeline. Not just sales, not just marketing, the whole system. The framework helps you answer 3 questions quickly. Where are we strong? Where are we exposed? And what should we fix first? The 8 pillars in order are: number 1, goals, KPIs, and industry benchmarks. 2, value proposition, messaging, and branding. 3, your revenue strategy. 4, your team structure. 5, your website and digital presence. 6, reporting and analytics. 7, your technology stack. And 8, templates and enablement. Here's what the framework reveals in practice. It shows why growth feels inconsistent. It identifies the biggest growth blockers. It gives leadership a clear way to prioritize, and it prevents spending money on tactics before the system is ready. And this is not just a thought framework for us. It's how we work. Everything we recommend comes from this. Your strategy, CRM recommendations, website, reporting, execution. We diagnose, prioritize, build, run, and improve in a clear order. And why it matters is simple. You get stronger visibility, a cleaner pipeline, better sales support, better reporting you can trust, more right fit customers, less guessing, and more predictable growth. Now, if you want to go deeper, you have 2 options. First, you can download a free copy of the Great 8 Pillars book, or you can see where you stand right now. Click the button to get your free Great 8 revenue score. Thank you.